Are you tired of outdated kitchen tile? Are you ready for an upgraded kitchen, bath, or laundry room? Don't let a small budget or lack of experience deter you from starting your renovations. Our unique pressure-sensitive adhesive allows you to adjust if needed, a real lifesaver for most of us do-it-yourselfers. The adhesive cures completely after 24 to 48 hours. This women-owned business only uses the highest quality materials, develops exclusive designs, and comes with a lifetime warranty. Don't be fooled by lower-priced imitation products. These products can result in permanent yellowing within as little as 6 months. Smart Tile products feature a patented Gel-O coating component that will never show signs of yellowing or cracking while providing a three-dimensional effect. Smart Tiles is the only company offering matte or dual matte glossy finish, in addition to our exclusive extra-large tiles. With an extensive catalog of classic, contemporary, and modern styles, and 6 to 8 different patterns per model, it's easy to find the look you want. And with Smart Tiles, you don't even have to worry about the hassle and expense of traditional tile installation. Just peel and stick over existing tiles or painted walls, and you'll appreciate the seamless look and proper seal. This stress-free solution is a no-brainer. Once you've installed your new Smart Tiles, you'll love how easy they are to clean. Just wipe them down with a damp cloth or sponge, and you're done. Our R&D team continues to develop high-quality, exclusive designs not found anywhere else. With our lifetime adhesion and color warranty, there's a reason Smart Tiles is the #1 peel and stick brand in the world.